What's up guys, I build PC here, so I build and flip mini ITX PCs. Now the 4020 replacement fan has finally arrived. If you have not seen the last few videos, I took out the 4020 fan out of this particular PSU because it was making this loud whining noise. So I replaced it with a better fan, and this fan had a 4-pin PWM header. The good thing is that my motherboard has a few fan connectors, including a secondary CPU fan. I have connected the PSU fan to ramp up with the computer temperature. I'm super happy with the results. The fan is a lot quieter, and also I installed this cool argb light strip underneath the case to give it a glowing look. I think it looks awesome on the desk, and I think this build would be great, and I'm really looking forward to selling it. I'm just going to run a few games of Counter-Strike on it and make sure it's running okay. Thanks guys.